Hi, I'm Shreya. Today I have Narasimha sir with me. He's a memory trainer. So he has many Guinness World Records. So hi, welcome to my channel.
Thank you, beta.
So namaste. So he is conducting a 3-day workshop in Bangalore. So what is the workshop about?
Now, this workshop, Shreya, is about how to improve memory. So, most of us will go to school and teacher will tell us, you need to remember this question, that question, this question. But how to remember, nobody is telling. So, how to memorize those questions? How we can make study as our buddy? How we can you entertain? How can you play with our books? No, that's what the workshop we're doing, in Bangalore, especially during Diwali holidays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. is the training program happening at YUVAPATHA in JAYANAGAR 4th block. But for this tomorrow, that is Sunday, morning 10 o'clock, after 1 o'clock, again 4 o'clock in the evening, 7 o'clock, we have free seminars. So any one of your subscribing channel subscribers, they can come to our free seminars at YUVAPATHA in 4th block JAYANAGAR. They can understand what this memory program is all about. If they like it, they can learn this memory from us.
So I have attended the Saturday workshop. It was really nice. There was like memory techniques. There were many examples. He showed how he can remember like many numbers and many words. So please try to attend the Sunday workshop. There are 4 timings in Jayanagar. So try to attend it. Thank you.